Today, my friends, we are going to create something different and something new. This video is completely unique. Videos like this have never been uploaded on YouTube channels before. As you can see, the channels that introduce AI videos in new and creative ways often go viral and get millions of views. You can also create videos just like this. Today, I will show you a very easy and simple method to create these kinds of AI videos absolutely free. With this method, you can make viral videos and upload them on Facebook, YouTube, or Instagram easily. You can also see how amazing the result of this video is. You can achieve similar results and create great videos with ease. Today, I will guide you step by step. First of all, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and click the bell icon so you don't miss any future updates. I will continue bringing more amazing ideas like this for you. Also, I will provide a form in my YouTube description. By using that form, you will be able to create unlimited videos like this very easily. So, let's get started. First, you need to open ChatGPT. I will give you a prompt that will be available in my YouTube comment section. You just need to copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. At the top right, please look at this prompt and give me 10 best ideas. After that, ChatGPT will provide you with 10 very good and amazing ideas. You can choose any one of them and use it to create AI videos in your own style. This is a unique and new style that you can use to create videos in a different way. Whichever idea you like the most, just copy it. For example, I will copy this idea here. After copying it, I will paste it here. When I paste this idea, I will write something like, "Based on this, give me 7 image prompts and a short story from it." Then ChatGPT will generate a very nice short story for you, especially if you want to make shorts videos. It will also give you 7 image prompts. It depends on how you want to use it. Make sure to watch the video till the end, because every part of it is important to understand how we will continue creating the video step by step. Now, all the prompts have been generated for us. First, we want to create audio for this story. So for the audio, Next, we will create an AI voice. There is a free tool called Unlimited AI Text-to-Speech, which is one of the best tools for generating AI voices. You can use it for free at Unlimited AI Tools. You can also make free AI images there, but I will show you how to generate a voice for free. If you can't find the tool, comment below, and I will give you the link. This tool gives free daily credits. Open the AI text-to-speech generator, then copy the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it there. Select any voice. For example, Blaze Alex is considered the best, but for understanding, you can select any voice. Click Generate, and remember, you can generate up to 1,000 words at a time. If your text is longer, divide it into 4 parts to complete the full voice. Now the AI voice is ready, and you can listen to it.
Brushing it off. But then cracks appeared in the concrete.
In this way, the AI voice has been created, and next we will make the AI video. First website is Digen.ai. It is a very amazing website for creating AI videos. When you sign up, it gives you 300 credits, which are enough to create around 10 AI videos. After that, the platform also gives daily credits, so you can keep making AI videos easily. As you can see, right now I have 3,200 plus credits in my account because this ID has been logged in for many days. Here you can see an option available at the top. As you can see, there is Sora, text to video, scene to video, and you can use it as well. It is a very powerful and amazing feature. I want to use Veo, so I will click on it. When I click on it, something like this will appear on the screen, as you can see. After that, you need to select the size. You can choose 16.4, 9, 16, 9.4, or 16.9. Just select the size you want and click on it. Then you will see that the video will start generating. As you can see, the video has now been created. It's a very good and impressive video. Here, I will create only one video. After that, more videos will start generating after some time. Next, what we will do is move to another website where we can create unlimited AI videos. It is the second best website for creating AI videos, second website named grok.com, and we will use it to generate more videos. On this website, you can easily create great AI videos. That's how we can create AI videos on it in a very easy way. It is a really great website. Make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to like the video. As you can see, there is an Imagine option here. You just need to click on it. When you click on it, it will open something like this. After that, you need to copy the prompt. This is my prompt here, so I will copy it. Then you have to select the size according to your need. For YouTube, you can choose 9:16 for shorts or 16.9 for normal YouTube videos. I will select 9:16 and paste the prompt here. As you can see, the video will be ready in a few moments. The video generation has started. In the same way, you just need to copy the prompts and keep pasting them one by one. As you paste them, new videos will continue to be generated. Now you can see that all the videos are ready. You just need to download them. You can also check the results. The videos are created very nicely and the output is amazing. For my last video, I used CapCut. It's a really good software for editing videos. It's easy to use, free, and comes with features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. Perfect for both beginners and professionals. I edited the video here using CapCut, added effects, and now my video is ready. You can check it out. Thanks for watching. Next time, if you have any questions, message me from the video and I'll answer in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I'll bring another method. Thanks for watching.